If you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Talkie AI app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the first step, what you need to do is to open Play Store on your device and search for the following application. That is Talkie AI. And be sure to download the official application with this logo. When you find the official application, click on download and install it. After the installation is complete, open the app. In the next step, what you need to do is log in or sign in the app using your details. Once you're in the app, they will ask you your gender. Select what gender you are, select your age. Then click Enter Talkie. After that, you can see many AI characters. Click whatever you like and start chatting with them.
Leave my house.
Hey, where's your brother?
Hey, we are meeting after many days. How did you top again?
Talkie AI is a cutting-edge AI for entertainment app designed for creating emotional connections through real-time interactions with AI-generated characters. It offers users the ability to engage in meaningful conversation with diverse AI personas, fostering a sense of companionship and providing entertainment. Users can earn and trade virtual rewards based on their interactions. The Talkie AI stands out for its intuitive interface, privacy safeguards, and the unique blend of chat, role-playing, and collectible card elements. This makes it an appealing tool for both casual users and creators looking to develop personalized AI companions. And that's pretty much all about how you can use Talkie AI to talk with your AI characters. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.